Happy Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day. We're 65 degrees outside. Now, my grass grew. I thought I was going to do a final cut about a week ago, but I was wrong. We had some rain this morning. The grass dried up because it's also windy. I am going to cut the lawn. And actually, also, I want to put down some nitrogen. So I'm just going to go and jump right to it. Ready to cut this lawn. A few more leaves left. Not much. A little bit here, a little bit there. I think it's going to be the final cut. So, just wanted to show you. Well, folks, my lawn is cut for the last time of the year. I also decided that I am going to put some nitrogen now. This is made by Simple Lawn Solution. It's a 2800. The link is going to be at the bottom. I bought it at Amazon. If you need it, it's pure nitrogen. Go to Amazon and click my link, and there you go. It'll take you right to it. When this grass wakes up in the spring, man, is it going to look beautiful. By that being said, let's jump right into it. I'm just going to use the regular hose, and this is what's best of it. You can just put the hose in, turn the knob, and shoot away. And watch me do. Okay, everybody, it's time to say goodbye. It was nice. I enjoyed putting down the nitrogen. Once again, it's going to be in the bottom of the link is going to be at the bottom of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and the like. Okay, and I'll see you on my next video. And hopefully by next year, this lawn in the spring, it's going to look beautiful. Mike Reyes is out.